how to install WordPress on Infinityfree. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to install WordPress, what you're first going to do is you're going to select the account that you want to install it in. In our case, we have this account over here. Simply select this and you will see this page right here. What you're going to do next is you're simply going to navigate over Soft Calus installer over here, Softaculous or Softaculous installer. Select this. It will redirect us to another page. So wait for it to load, and there we go. Then you will be able to see here in the first option we have WordPress. So just simply click on install. You can even view it. You can easily install it and it will be installed into your Infinityfree. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.